When I say D-O-R-K, dogs, not D-O-G dogs, okay? Just remind that, kind reminder. You already know that I'm talking about the DORK Diaries book set. Renée Russell, the author of this book set, wrote this book set considering her daughter Nikki's life. And Nikki is the main character, Nikki Maxwell. Okay, now let's start. And in the end, there's a small bit of a little bonus point. And you already know that each and every one of my videos have a bonus point. Okay, now let's start. Kind reminder, I don't have the first book. Okay, now let's start with the second book. Party time. Okay, see? Okay, I'll keep it here. And then next we have pop star. And then next, no, this is not next, this is last. And you know what book it is. Skating sensation. Okay, and then this book, Holiday Heartbreak and Dear Dork. I don't have separate books, it's a double, but anyway, I have the book. Okay, this is Dear Dork and Holiday Heartbreak in one book. Keep it here. Yep. And then we have TV Star. And then Once Upon a Dog. And then you see, this book is not one of my favorite because it's not Nikki's diary. It's Mackenzie's drama queen. Okay, here we go. Then we have Frenemies Forever. And then we have Crush Catastrophe. And then at last, Spectacular Superstar. Keep it from down to up. And now, wait a second, I'll take this a little this side so the bonus point will be seen clearly. Now this is the bonus point. How to dork your diary. I have to show you a little bit of how I filled this book. So, but you have to hang on because I have to find the pages. What's this? Oh, a bookmark. Okay, now let's go. Here we have, I colored a few pictures in this. We have Nikki writing her diary in a pajama. And then there's another one, how I filled these books. I'll show you. Oh, you have the choose the D, choose the B, blah, blah, blah. I also filled them. And then we have another few. Let's check here. Phony book cover number 1. I'm not glad that my cousin have scribbled and I had to fix the whole thing again. Phony book cover number 1. What is this? Recipe book. So nobody will know that it's your diary. And then again, oh my god, insert all these things in here. And then the comics. Bet you get this diary, it's one of the best. And this is cute. And that's all, you have to get the diary and fill in yourself. That's all. Okay. I'll catch the person who put these A4s inside. Okay, so this is the book set. And kind reminder, subscribe, dogs, like, dogs, click the bell icon, dogs. Okay, oh no, dogs, nerds and geeks, all. And of course, CCPs, considering for Mackenzie. Okay, now after all, you have to comment, telling whether you like my video. And of course, you have to tell, when should I repeat it? Okay, so watch all my other videos, especially my book tutorial. I have a book cupboard tutorial, that's what I told you about. My whole book cupboard is shown. It's not this, okay, it's another book cupboard, okay. Okay, after all, thanks for watching this video, dogs, nerds and geeks.